making peanut butter banana baked oatmeal cups. So we're going to start with 3 ripe bananas, and we're going to mash them up. Yay! Mash banana. Can I read? Now we're going to add half cup peanut butter, 2 eggs, I knew something was gonna happen. 2/3 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups of oats, teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, chocolate chips. Mix it all up. Now we're going to scoop it into our muffin pan. Bake in the oven 350 for 20 minutes. I eat them every morning. They're so good.